Good morning to everybody. Can you hear me? Hello, 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 hello. Can you hear me? Hello, hello, hello. Good morning to everybody. Can you hear me? Hello, hello. It is audible? Yeah. In a previous class, we are telling about row level locks only. Row level locks, default locks, and deadlocks. We must be familiar every developer. But the table level locks, you don't know also not develop. Why? Because this table level lock latches and locks, a big concept is there in a way database administration in that course concept actually. But just our basic level knowledge only without uses only, just I'm telling, oh, maybe some locks are there, share lock, share update lock, share exclusive lock. So many concepts are there. Actually, 7 locks are there. But unfortunately, just idea purpose only, I'm telling you what these 3 locks enough only. And now here, write it, share log, fastly write it, share log. You are not using anything, just here, share log. Only table locking only, share log. What is share lock means actually? So now suppose whenever we are using what this lock means, another user query the data. Query the data means select statement possible. But they cannot perform DML operation. That is everyone knows. And also not only that one, share lock means here actually row level locks, default locks means at a time only one user lock the resource. But here another user also lock the resource. Any number of users also lock the resource. Any number of users. What is that one means? I will tell you. And now here another user query the data, but they cannot perform DML operation. Everyone knows. But any number of users also log the resource possible only. But at a time table, okay? Yes, here not a rows only, this one. Write it. Practical, you are understandable. Write it fastly. When we are using, this is not required actually. When we are using this log, then another user query the data, but they cannot perform, DML operations. And also at a time, number of users log the resource. Sharing, log the resource. Different concept. Log the resource. If you will be using, I'm not telling because this is a DB concept. Log the resource. These logs also, write it. These logs also automatically released when we are using commit or rollback commands. Commit or rollback commands. Syntax: log table, log is a keyword, table name in share mode. Mode is a keyword is there. Write it. Log table name in share mode. Share log, understandable enough. Log table name in share mode. First, write it another chapter. Log table name in share mode. Mode is a keyword is there. Okay. Suppose in a row level log, so it does not display table logs is a message. Here table logs is a message. It will display. Now check it out. Concentrate. Practically very easy. Suppose here this is a show user. For example, this got user. I'm using a what? A log table table name emp in share mode, for example, or maybe a total table we are locking. Okay, so another okay, so now DML operation another user cannot perform is this is helpful. Okay, fine. Now check it out. This is a table they are locking. Like whenever they are using a what some other process, hot backup, cold backup, something is there. In that case, these type of things administrator using. Don't worry. Just here share mode they are using. Whenever they are using a what this one, now another user. Observe here. Murali is a user. Already we are telling this is a user. Murali is a user. Setting in. Now here show user like this. This is another user. Concentrate here. This is another user. Now in this user, Murali user, now here their user selecting the data, not a problem. Same like a normal occasional way. Select a star from scott.emp. Selecting a data, okay. Now here, yes. But they cannot perform DML operation. And also another locks also they are performing possible. Suppose here lock table name scott.emp in share mode. Working. Now here, yes, any number of users also logs. Observe here, tables log. This user also performing a what logs only, but they cannot perform DML operations. And also, I want to release the logs means we are using a what a commit or rollback command. Simple. And now here, that's why yes, any number of users also log the resource is not there in a where any database, any occasional row level logs, any default logs. But in this case, special case only they are providing only. And now here, write it this one. Number of users are write it here. Go to SQL prompt. Sessions was write it fastly. Connect. Is a table locking. Scott and Tiger. Here connect Murali and Murali like this. Here write it. Go to SQL prompt log table name in share mode. Here another user query the data, select star from scott.emp. Write it fastly. This is small. This is working. Okay, fine. Now again log the resource possible, log table name scott.emp in share mode. Here any update or delete it won't work. No, update table name scott.emp. Set salary is equal to salary plus 100. Impossible. We cannot perform DMS, write it. We cannot perform DMS. Now, okay, up to releasing the logs, the table, we cannot perform DML. Those type of scenarios are required in a project study, use it. Okay, yeah. Commit or rollback. That is for releasing logs, very easy. For releasing logs. Write it fastly, this one. Okay, now finish up fast. That's why table, whenever in a latches they are performing only database administrator table, they cannot perform DML operation. Is just this share mode or exclusive mode they are using one, nothing. Completed up fast. Take a snap. Okay, now another one is share update mode, but share update mode same like a what? Same like a row level logs. Not this is a table level logs. So low level logs behavior is there. What is that one? Is I will tell you. Write it. This is also rare cases administrator share update log. Now 1 minute only. Observe it here. Now check it out. Practically, you're understanding. This is same like a row level logs only. In a olden days, row level logs are not there. 6.0 onwards, row level logs are there. In a olden days, 6.0 if before, row level logs means in this table level, share update mode, database administrators using. What the meaning of this one means? Suppose here, this is Scott user is there. Show user. Again, this is a Murali user is there. Same like a row level logs. Observe here. This is different. Row level log behavior you want means just we are using a what? A share update mode in a olden days. But nowadays, nobody using. Here log table name in share update mode. Okay, just we are using a what? Share update mode. Whenever we are using a what? Share update mode, another user query the data, that is everyone knows. But here updation operation, not another operation. Whenever we are using a what? Updation operation, update table name, set salary, default logs are there, no same like salary is equal to salary plus 100, where department number is equal to 10 I'm giving. Whenever which updation operation we are using which rows, that rows only we cannot perform DML operation. Remaining all the operations we are performing. That's why share update mode means which updation operation we are performing a what, which data, that data only we cannot perform DML operations. Remaining all the operations we are performing in a where in that another 20, another 30 departments in this case possible. Suppose really that is correct. Suppose here I'm using a what here. So now here select the star from here Scott.emp. So now here that is everyone knows. Now here query the data and also here observe here update, don't write it, update Scott.emp, same like a row level logs, set salary is equal to salary plus 100. Here I am writing a what where department number is equal to 20 I am writing, observe it here. Here 10 we are performing a what operations. After that one, after this log only 10 I am performing operations. But here we are using a what 20. So now here like this, not a problem. And now here check it out. Yes. But whenever 10 is there, in that 10 only we cannot perform DML operations. Observe here. Now check it out. I'm using a what where DEPT number is equal to 10. It won't work. Observe here. Stuck it. Here blinking or not? Yes, here because logs only internally now logs are there here. Why? Because same like a row level logs, default logs, I'm telling you same concept. Whenever update share update mode we are using means after share update mode which data we are okay performing a DML operation, that is automatically that is logged only. Now here that data we cannot perform DML operations. Another data means possible, that data we cannot perform. That's why we are performing a what some operation update mode we are putting in aware in the one session. Any number of DML statements we are using also. Those DML statement transactions only we cannot perform by the another user. Okay. Yes, I want to release the logs means same thing. Here just we are using a what commit or rollback command. Then automatically release the logs only possible or not. Yes, here release the logs possible like this. And now here write it this one. That's why whenever we are performing some DML operation, that data only we cannot perform in another DML operation in a where users. Then we go for yes, this share update mode by database administrator. But nowadays nobody using why because already row level logs are available. Right? It share update log. whenever we are using share update mode and also after that mode we are locking after that mode we are using updation operation, then those rows are automatically locked. Those rows are automatically locked. And also these locks, and also those locks behaves like a row level locks. Set of rows, no, row level locks. And these locks also automatically released when we are using commit or rollback commands. Syntax is all the things you don't have an idea because administrators. Lock table name in share update mode. Faster. Share update mode. One fellow is asking Swagata, where the need of lock means whenever we are performing operation, another user cannot perform DML means we are using a what locks. Latches is a concept is there in that one database, but administrator using. Anybody previous classes attending is they have an idea. Now here and also in a PLSQL is a concept is there in procedure language, that is cursor locking mechanism is there in that one locking mechanism through set of rows we are using only, that is cursor locking mechanism is there. That's why compulsory we are using a what row level locks. Table level locks means administrator using their transportation data, but then backup on hot backup, cold backup they're using means locking mechanism is required. In that case, that is a huge concept on VDollar locks is a data dictionary is there. Finished. And now here check it out. You're a developer means just what is what enough. And now here go to SQL prompt, connect here, fastly write it Scott and Tiger. Again go to SQL prompt, connect Murali and Murali like this. Fastly write it here, lock table name emp in share update mode. Here exclusive also there. I'm not. And now here any operation update table name emp set salary is equal to salary plus 100, same like row level locks now. Yeah, where department number is equal to 10th department locking here. Now here another user query the data, select star from spot.emp like this. And also another department number, same like the row level logs, they are performing operation update spot.emp set here salary is equal to salary plus 100. where DPT number is equal to 20 is working. Already I'm telling you in a row level log set these concepts are here. But 10 is not working in this case. Here update table name store.emp set here salary is equal to salary plus 100 where department number is equal to 10. It is not working. We cannot perform DML in this 10th department already logged. Now I'm using the what releasing the logs purpose commit or rollback for releasing logs. For releasing logs. Write it fastly this one. Now last one we are telling. Finished. Next, last one, exclusive log. Third one, exclusive log. Exclusive lock means slight difference only. Share lock means always any number of users also lock the resource. But here, same like a row level locks only. At a time, only one user can lock the resource. Only one user. Only one user can lock the resource only. That is only difference. Remaining all the things share a lock only. Write it fastly this one. When we are using this lock, when we are using this log, then another user query the data, but they cannot perform, DML operations. And also, in this case, and also, at a time, only one user can log the resource. Log the resource. Resource means table resource. Syntax log table name in exclusive mode. Now one fellow is asking how developer knows about which type of log is there. Means developer doesn't know. Developer doesn't using only $logs is a what? $logs is a data dictionary is there. Through that one, yes, here session ID is there. Okay, IDs are there. Through that one, administrator identify. Developer means just here they are using a what? So now okay, so for update is a clause is there. No, that row level logs only they are using, not this one. Lock table, table name in exclusive mode. And now check it out, slight difference only. And now exclusive mode means share mode means only one any number of users also lock the resource. No, but here only one user can lock the resource. Observe here, slight difference. This is a show user. Here Scott user lock table, table name emp in. So now here is share, okay, exclusive mode like this. Now another user is there, that is a what? Show user, that is a Murali user. Here, okay, another user query the data already on idea. Select the star from spot.emp. Another user cannot perform DML operation, everyone knows. But here, another user only performing one log at a time, same like a reliable logs. Suppose he is performing like this log table, table name, yes, spot.emp. Yes, here. Suppose another log in share mode, you have an idea, no? Share update mode, you have an idea, no? Share exclusive mode, something is there. There's all the logs cannot perform. Not only exclusive log, another log. Suppose share log means impossible. Suppose in a share mode we are using here means this share mode also working or not, but here exclusive lock we are using means in another lock also not possible. Another lock, share mode, share update mode, exclusive mode, in a lock also not possible, because at a time only one user lock the resource. This hang up or not? Yes. These locks also occasion of here, yes, performed a what, sorry, automatically released when we are using a what, a commit or rollback. If another user not allowed to perform any other locks means in a table, okay, I want to lock means in a database administrator, they are using a what, this concept only. Exclusive lock is important database administrator point of view. Write it fastly. Write it this one. Go to SQL prompt, connect Scott and Tiger. Again, go to SQL prompt, connect Murali and Murali like this. Here go to SQL prompt, firstly write it log table, table name in exclusive mode. Then another user query the data, there I have an idea. Select the star from spot.emp like this. Now another user cannot perform another logs. Log table, table name spot.emp in share mode also I'm writing. Share. Impossible. We cannot perform another logs. In a logs also cannot perform. We cannot perform in a logs. In a logs also impossible. Because exclusive mode means what that time only one user log. Now releasing the logs purpose, same. Commit or roll back for releasing logs. For releasing logs. Releasing logs. Finished up fast. Okay, this is the okay. So now commit and rollback related concept, only TCL concept. Only you are familiar and aware. Row level logs, that logs I'm using and aware in a PLSQL cursor concept side. Locking mechanism is there. Most powerful separate chapter is there. But table level logs, you don't have an idea, not a problem. Yes, here only deadlocks you are familiar. Then a trigger side, that concept is helpful. That's why every database developer also not familiar logs also not a problem, but unfortunately, what is row level log, what is default log, what is deadlock, they must familiar. Why? Because yes, your row level logs based only you are understandable in every database programmer cursor locking mechanism. Again, deadlock based only they are understandable mutating errors in every database triggers only most powerful. Okay, now that purpose only this DBA concept also I'm introduction part I'm telling. Now, very important chapter, most powerful chapter in a total SQL side. How much importance of query? More than that one also important. What is that one? Means advanced level. Here, set operators are there, most powerful. Through that set operators, we are learning about conversions, most powerful, implicit and explicit conversions are there. In that case only, we are using what most powerful functions, decode function. Case statement in every Java.NET, these type of developers attending interview, what is the difference between decode and case? They're asking. Very important only. Through that one, some intro questions are there, diagonal rows, I want to display like that. Again, grouping ID is a what? Some function is there. Okay, fine, like that. Again, in that one, NVL2, KLC, okay, null if those functions are available. Again, NLS parameter is there, the national language supports. And after that one, in that one, regular expressions are there. That's why this chapter is very important. Most powerful concept in SQL only. Now here, this chapter don't miss any concepts also. Why? Because important, all the concepts are introduction, all the concepts. Again, next only level also there. That is, okay, so hierarchy is through, we are telling, right? It set operators is pure development side, most powerful. Set operators. Set operators. Set operators easy, but set operators through conversions are important. That is important. Most powerful concept. Write it. Every database, same concept, only set operators. Write it. Set operators are used to fast writing. Set operators. Set operators are used to retrieve data from single or multiple tables. Set operators, firstly read it. Set operators are also called as vertical joins. Vertical joins you already know same. Vertical joins. Vertical joins. Every database same set operators are available. Now same set operators are available. Every database, not only Oracle side only. Okay, na? Now actually where we are using the what these set operators means select statements are there. No, up to now you have an idea. Select statement, first initial clauses, select statement, you have an idea. In this case, more than one select statement, only select statement data only it will be retrieved, but some rules based it will be retrieved. That's why this is called vertical joins. So now here, observe it here. These set operators are used in multiple select statements. Multiple select statements. Oracle having, right? Every database same, but Oracle having following set operators. Oracle having following set operators. These are These are first one, union, union. Second one, union all. Third one, intersect. Fourth one, minus. Same like mathematics is there, no? Yeah. Set theory is there, no? Same. Union, union, but rules are there. Union, union all, intersect, minus. And now check it out. Concentrate here. Concentrate here. Don't write it anything. First, observe it here. Same like a set theory, but unfortunately, here so many things are there. Actually, so now here, now check it out. For example, here observe it here. One section. And now here select star from EMP is a table is there. In this table, I am also, you are also writing about some select queries. Don't write it, just observe here. Suppose select, don't write it anything. After that one rules I am telling, first observe here. Job from EMP where department number is equal to 10. I am writing. Okay, fine. Oh, 10th department job means manager, president, clerk is there. For example, some set the data. Okay, fine. Manager, president, clerk is there. Again, another select query, only select the job from EMP. Okay, some query where department number is equal to 20. I am writing. Here, another data is there. Clerk, manager, analyst, clerk, analyst is there. Observe here. Now, anybody guess it only. Anybody, so many fellows are good at mathematics. No, union, something is there. No, set, this is a set is there. Another set is there. Union, intersect, something is there or not. What is union? Yes, very good. I am also, you are also thinking union means nothing is there. Yes, this result and this result is a combination is called a what? All the concepts is written. I want to report. Then we are using a what? Union. They are thinking absolutely wrong one. Absolutely wrong one. That's different. That's why these are very important only. Union means not like that. Union always eliminating a duplicate data. Most powerful. Eliminating duplicate data, very, very important. Eliminating duplicate data. And also in a single set also eliminating duplicate data. That is important. Single set also eliminating duplicate data. That is not there in any other concept in a databases. And also here automatically sorting is there. Automatic sorting, ascending order only there. What is this one? Now check it out. These are the two queries are there. For example, here in this case also, so now here yes, clerk is there. Clerk two times are there, but in this case, clerk duplicate data eliminating only one time only it will be taken. Here in this case also analyst duplicate data is there. Single set also observed here. Single set also duplicate data is there only one time only. Yes, it will be displaying. And now here manager here manager one time, clerk already one time, president. That's why single set analyst also one time is there. Suppose so many queries are there in a project's reporting side. I want to display unique time all the values from the multiple queries means there is no choice. Compulsory we are using a what? Union. And also automatic sorting mechanism is there only one time. That's why so many fellows are asking some table they are giving. T1 is a table, T2 is table, 1 2 3 4 1 1 1 2 2 2 anything they are writing. I want to display 1 is a one time, 2 is a what, 3 times, 4 is a what, one time, like this only they are asking. Then you are writing a what, union these type of queries on. And now here check it out. Observe here really only unique time only all the things are displayed. Yes, here now check it out. Select, don't write it. Select a job from EMP where here department number is equal to 10. Here union I'm using. Here select a job. So now here from then next rules I'm telling. First observe here where department number is equal to 20 like this. Here observe here only unique time only the data is displayed. Analyst one time, clerk one time, manager one time, president one time, but and also alphabetical order, a sorting data, A first, C next, M next, P next is there or not. That's why union always returns a what? Unique time that one values. That is duplicate data eliminating. Very, very important. Single set also duplicate data eliminating. That is key concept only. That is not there in any other operator in a database side. That's why this is very easy, also important. Again, union all means nothing is there. Union all means same like a set theory is there. Yes, union is there. No, in a normal mathematics, same like a union all. Union all means all the data. Here, this is this query data I want to display. This query data I want to display in a project set, including duplicate all the values also. Then we are using a what? A union all. Suppose here union all like this only. Okay, all the data it will display. First query result and also second query result, including duplicate, all the things are there or not. Any data also not missing. And now here again, suppose here intersect means everyone knows. Here intersect means always matching data. It will be displayed or not. Intersect, always it will be written. So what? So now we are matching. Here common data is there, no clerk manager is there. Suppose minus also there. Minus means A minus B means set A minus set B means automatically the values are there in a first set. Those values are not there in a second set. That is called A minus B or A dash. We are using in a mathematics or not. Same like minus means the query first version of here. Yes, what is the values are there in a where first query result. Those values are not there in a second query. Those values only it will display. The suppose precedent in this case automatically displayed. This is easy, but unfortunately, how we are using, what is the rules are there, how we are using in a project side, some of conversions related, what is this one, those are important. That is most powerful. That's why first here meanings write it only. So now union means which one? Yes, eliminating a duplicate data. No, return values unique time. Return values unique time plus sorting is there. Sorting is not there in a union all. Sorting. Queries are there, that is most powerful. Union all, very easy. Unique plus duplicate. That is all values, no. Yes. Now intersect means everyone knows. Common values, no. Returns common values. Again, minus means values are in first query. And those values are not in second query. Second query in the sense second query result. Okay, na? Yeah. First query in the sense first query result. You are writing only one thing is enough only. Then we are starting a rules, conversions, so much of concepts only. So this one. Example. Only union you are writing is enough. Remaining all the things you are familiar. Write it these meanings first. It's a very interesting chapter. Why? Because everything is inter question. Endless parameters, decode and case differences, these unions, how you are applying in a table side outputs. Now write it one for example. Your rules based, pure rules. That rules overcome today by using conversions are there. Right in this one. This data also right. This one write it. Union write it. Output write it. Fast correct this one. Now onwards, concentrate, very important. Now check it out. So many things are there. First, observe here. Concentrate here. Suppose, okay, some select queries, some set operators we are using, so many things are there. But before that one, we are learning our rules, most powerful. How you are rectifying those things through that one conversion, so many concepts I will tell you. Suppose, for example, I am writing some query. Don't write it. Just observe it here. Select. Don't write it. Don't write it. Here, department number, I'm taking a column from EMP. I'm taking. Don't write it here. Very interesting. Either union or union all any set operator I'm using. Select here D name I'm using from DEPT. Now this query is working or not working. Guess it. Select a department number from EMP union. Select a D name from DEPT. Now this query is working or not working. Maybe anybody guess it. Working or not working? Very good. Not working. Everyone telling correct. Yes, not working. Why? Because whenever we are using a set of rules, whenever you are using set operators, some set of rules we have to follow. Otherwise, it won't work. What the first rule means? Observe it here, observe it here, observe it here. Whenever we are using a set of operators, always corresponding expressions, this one and this one. Another thing is there means another thing. Corresponding expressions must belongs to same data type, Here department number is which data type? Number. But D name which data type? Character. Where character is there? No, that's why it won't work. Very good. It won't work. It will give us a error. Expression must have same data type as corresponding expression. But interviewer asking, I don't want like this only. I want a report only whenever corresponding expression not belongs to same data type also. They're asking. That is how means I will tell you most powerful. Those concepts are important. First observe here, basically what is the rule? Corresponding expression must have same data type. This is everyone knows. Corresponding expression must have same data type. Observe it here. Okay? Concentrate, concentrate. Don't write it, don't write it. Just observe. Suppose here I'm using a what? E name is a column. Now it is working. Anybody? Now it is working or not? Yes, it is working. Why? Because an ename, dname, don't worry. Here, this is a column. Data type is what? Varchar2. Here also, this column data type is what? Varchar2. Same data type is there or not? Yes. And also, first column name is a column heading. It is displayed. Yes, here it will display union means alphabetical order. No, yeah. Here it will display. But first query column name is displayed ename. Suppose I am writing a what here in place of ename, dname. In place of here d name, here e name, here dpt I'm using, here emp I'm using, for example. In this case, which column heading it will displayed? Yes, first query column name as a column heading. And now here d name it will display or not? Yes, here first query alias names or column names we are displaying only in a project side. And now here write it some theory, write it, write a note. Whenever we are using set operators, then always corresponding expressions must belongs to same data type, and also by default set operators returns first query is then first query column names or column names or alias names. In a future alias names as column headings. Column headings means column name is the what heading is there? No, yeah. Write in this example. Write in this example. First D name I'm using means D name only column heading. E name I'm using means E name only column heading, like this. Okay, now fast. Make it fast. Complete data. Yes. Now, at least today, one thing I'm telling. And now check it out, concentrate here. So many interviewers, what is the interview question means? Set up directly. This is the way they are not asking because these are easy. Some tables, some outputs, and also the one what queries are there. That is, I'm telling, no, most powerful. Suppose what they are asking only, whenever we are using a set operators, corresponding expressions, same data type, then only working, everyone knows. But If corresponding expression not belongs to same data type also, how can I retrieve the data? They're asking. That is a question mark. That is most powerful. How can I means possible in every database? Yes, how it is possible means yes, in a first initial classes, conversion functions, you have an idea. Conversion functions. First initial stage, we are learning about which one, to underscore care. I am telling in our actual side, initial stage. Again, to underscore date we are using or not. These type of conversion functions are through possible. That's why in this chapter we are learning to underscore number, to care, to date again, some different purpose also we are using analysis parameters, decode, case. These are all the things you are familiar. That's why this chapter is most powerful, original concept. So now first observe it here, at least today, first time newcomer purpose. Suppose here, in this case, select a department number from EMP. I'm writing in a previous case, union or union or anything. Select D name from DEPT. What they're asking, suppose here this query is working or not, in intro ask means you are telling not working. Why? Because corresponding expression not belongs to same data type. Here number, here character is there. That's why not working. You are telling, okay, fine. But intro you are asking, whenever corresponding expression not belongs to same data type also, I want to retrieve the data from these multiple queries only. How can I? By using set operators. How can I? They're asking possible. How can I? Means in a real-time project side, they are using conversion functions. How means screen observed, screen observed. Here department number is a number data type. That's why how your corresponding number data type is there means another function is there. In this chapter, we are learning only to underscore number. Up to now, we are not telling this advanced. That's why these functions we are learning in this chapter, to underscore number syntax you don't have also null. Now in this case, here this one is matching or not. Here number is matching. Again, here now check it out. This is so many fellows doesn't have an idea. This enter question. Here D name is a what? Character data. Here corresponding character data is not there. That's why here I want to convert into character data, number into converted character data. Means in this chapter, yeah, another to underscore care function we are using. First initial stage to underscore care function, that is a date side. But in this chapter, another to underscore care function we are learning. Now here that is conversion number into character type. Here syntax you don't have an idea. Null we are using. Now here, observe it here. In this case only, automatically here number matching, number character matching or not, corresponding expression, same data type is there or not. That's why it is working. But unfortunately, it is working also. In this case here, column headings, they are using the first query column names as a what? Yes, column headings, alias names they are using, because first query only they are using. Here, department number, here, yes, here double quotes or okay, as anything also department number. Again, here to underscore care means here department names, he has also the DEPT names. That's why first query column names, alias names, why they are using means first query column names only or alias names only displayed in a way, final output column headings only. That is a way. Now here check it out. Yes, department numbers and department names, it will display or not. That is important. Union also working, but okay, unique values time only it will display the what in this report. Very, very important. That's why anybody interviewer asking, can we retrieve the data from multiple queries by using set operators when corresponding expression not belongs to same data type also possible? Possible in a Oracle. How can I? Appropriate type conversion functions we are using. What is that type conversion? What is this conversion? What is implicit conversion? What is explicit conversion? What is decode? What is case? What is to care? What is to number? What is to date? Anything. So many things we are learning only. That's why this is original concept only. And now write a note. Write a note, write it. Write a note. In Oracle, we can also retrieve data from multiple queries by using set operators, when corresponding expressions not belongs to same data type also. In this case, we must use appropriate type conversion functions. In this case, we must use appropriate type conversion functions. Very, very important. Example, write it. Solution, write it. Solution in the sense conversion functions through possible. Yeah. First query, column names only, alias names are there. Okay, yeah. Finished. Completed this one. Hello. Completed. Yes. Today up to this one is enough. Monday, don't miss the class. This extension most powerful, very important concepts only. Monday onwards, I will tell you. Okay. Thank you. Monday will continue.